Hi everyone, and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Breville Ikon. This machine was brought in because it wasn't brewing, no water was coming through the group head, and we found the pump to be bad, and water wasn't getting to the boiler. So here it is, with the pump replaced, functioning once again, and let's test it. We'll pull a shot. Looking good. And there it is, just over 2 ounces. Okay, and let's do the steam now. Steam is blinking, it's heating up. Go ahead and open the wand. Purge the water first. There it is. Alright. There it is, Breville Ikon functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Canning Coffee. Please like our videos.